Hey guys, how you doing, and welcome to my new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a new monster Growl, and you can be happy because this is on Reaktor on Razer. Sorry for my bad English anyway, and please don't ask me where is the patch, because this will be on description of this video, I mean my fan page, and you will go there and like it and going from tab, and you can download the patch. Absolutely, if you don't want, you don't have. You can download it anyway, but you should go there. This is the sound, and if you want to know how it works, I just, many of us just saw many tutorials on YouTube about FM8 and about modulate mid bass ranges, and this is something like that. I use band reject here so you can see. You can see the equalizers on band reject, and it will move, and it will cut off the make it something like, and absolutely I use Growl. It's very effective on your sound. You can see equalizers again, it will move. I hope you enjoy it, and on next video I'm gonna show you how to create monster Growl with original resin mushroom.